How to fix ping in Blox Fruits. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So having high ping in Blox Fruits can cause lag, but there are ways to reduce it for smoother gameplay, and here's how you can fix it. So first of all, join the right server. Play on a server closest to your location. Roblox usually picks the server for you, but a VPN or refreshing the server's list also might help. And if server is laggy, rejoin to try for a better one. And use a stable internet connection. Switch to a strong Wi-Fi or use Ethernet for a faster direct connection, and avoid downloading, streaming, or using other devices while playing, and restart your router if your connection is unstable. Also close the unnecessary programs or browser tabs that use the internet like YouTube or Discord, and this is especially helpful on lower-end PCs or mobile devices. And also adjust the Roblox graphics setting. So go to Roblox settings and then go to graphics and lower the graphics quality. Less rendering reduces lag and stabilizes the ping. You can also play during the off-peak hours. Fewer players means less server load and lower ping. So try playing in the early mornings or late evenings when Roblox servers are less crowded. And on Windows, you can turn on game mode in settings and use tools like Razer Cortex or built-in system boosters to free up RAM and CPU. You can also keep Roblox and your device updated. Only use mobile data if it's fast and stable, and avoid public or weak Wi-Fi. And avoid VPNs unless necessary, as they can increase the ping if not set up correctly. So reducing the ping makes Blox Fruits smoother, faster, and more fun, especially during the boss fights and PvP. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.